Hey, it's Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm at the Dorval ramps on the first day after the blockades have been lifted in Ontario, and I've got a stack train waiting here on CN, and on CP we have the eastbound stack train. Here it comes. The stack train in the foreground here, I should note, has been here for about 2.5 weeks. It's been just parked here since the blockade started, and it's on the middle track on CN. There are 3 tracks. The Taschereau lead is open, and this middle track here is has got this train sitting on it. Meanwhile, this is the CP double stack that is scheduled to come around 3:30 p.m. But it's not often you get it framed by another stack train just sitting here. We got some tankers here. It looks like another block of tankers, and also some hopper cars. So it's not a solid double stack train. Makes it a bit more interesting. And it's a really nice February 24th today. So it's a really nice day in the Montreal area, 7 degrees Celsius, so it's really worth coming here. Nice to see some mixed freight. Very good possibility we'll see another train too. Something on CN might roll by, you never know. I have this feeling I've seen that boxcar before with all the graffiti. I think it said the race on it. As I said before, this is the first real train spotting I've done. since the blockade started, so it's nice to be out here. Very colorful stack train. Is that the last car? Yep, that's the last car. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.